Ang sarap mag-gym. At pati na rin ang gin. Kung ako'y papapiliin, pareho namang win-win. Ang sarap mag-gym. Lalo na pagkasama ko si Kim. Teka, sino ba si Kim? Malabas na naman ang pagiging simp. Ang sarap mag-gym. Sa sarili mong pawis, nagsiswim. Katawan ay magiging slim. Pero kung merong gin, forgive me gym gods, for I have sinned.
तजुर्बा बता रहा हूं दोस्त। दर्द, गम, डर जो भी है बस तेरे अंदर है। खुद के बनाए पिंजरे से निकल के देख, तू भी एक सिकंदर है।
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा बन जाएगी।
चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, कई दिनों से बहुत तेज चल रही है हवा। बना रहे थे जो किस्से मेरी तबाही के, उन्हें खबर ही नहीं कि रुख बदल रही है हवा।
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
I don't care if you're tired or if you're going through bad times right now. You need to work much harder. Nobody cares about your problems. Most successful people have had a hard life. You are nothing special. The only thing that matters are your results. So get up and grind. Go to the gym and they say you're obsessed. Don't go to the gym and they say you're skinny or fat. You eat bad food and they say you need to eat healthier. Eat healthier and they call you a health nut. You lift heavy and they call you an ego lifter. Lift light and they call you weak. You hide your physique and they say you're insecure. You show it confidently and they say you're showing off. Moral of the story is, people are going to talk smack about whatever you do in every circumstance. But you are in the arena with a sword in your hand. They are in the stands with a biscuit in theirs. Don't listen to their chatter. The best advice anyone ever gave me was 2 words. You can't. And you know what my response was? 2 words. Watch me.
Nobody is coming to save you. Get up. Be your own hero.
Remember the pain. Remember the promises they broke. Remember how they treated you. Remember how worthless they made you feel. Now turn your anger into power and show them off. Be better than them.
Fit a bomb, fit a bomb.